After the initial disaster from the impact, life got no chance to catch its breath. Earth was hit by a second wave of chain reactions. Volcanoes everywhere started releasing their pent-up energy. As volcanic material filled the atmosphere, it joined the existing dust in blocking out the sun. Earth plunged into a brief period of darkness. The oceans weren't doing any better than the land. Sulfur-rich dust rained down, forming acid rain. Countless ancient coral reefs completely collapsed. These once thriving habitats all became graveyards for marine life. All large marine reptiles, including the mosasaurs, went extinct. But in the deep sea, scavengers still had a fighting chance. Creatures like arthropods and ancient fish all survived this terrible disaster thanks to the stability of the deep ocean. They were actually living better than before. After all, dead shallow water creatures provided them with plenty of food. While these animals feasted on the apocalypse, the chain reactions from the asteroid impact kept going. Countless forests were destroyed, and the sky was choked with dust. Most sunlight was blocked out. Then temperatures began to drop. Surviving animals now faced a prolonged global cold spell. This phenomenon is called an impact winter. It caused temperatures to plummet and stopped plants from photosynthesizing. The entire food chain took a massive hit. Earth entered an extended period of extreme cold and endless darkness for creatures that depended on sunlight and warm environments. Especially dinosaurs, this sudden change was practically a death sentence. Millions of species were completely wiped out within days to weeks. Mammals, on the other hand, were relatively small. They didn't need massive amounts of food like dinosaurs did. More importantly, mammalian metabolism helped them adapt to cold environments. Many mammals could regulate their body temperature to handle the cold. Some mammals could even hibernate. This allowed them to survive when food was scarce. Plus, mammals had relatively large brains, giving them flexible problem-solving abilities. They could find shelter after the disaster struck, minimizing exposure and avoiding further danger. Since dinosaurs had always dominated them, mammals had been forced to forage at night, so they were already well adapted to dark environments. Dinosaurs, with their massive size and slow reflexes, couldn't adapt to sudden environmental changes like mammals could. In the end, through this chain of disasters and the collapse of the food chain, the dinosaur family was completely destroyed. This remains the most recent mass extinction event on record. It wiped out roughly 75 to 80% of all species.